Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. Today in this video, I'm going to demonstrate you that how can you hide the likes on any particular post in your Instagram account. Alright, so guys, sometimes it happens that on any particular post in Instagram, sometimes you don't get enough likes and that is visible to all of your friends and followers, which maybe you don't want to show them. So in that case, there is a feature in Instagram, and if you activate that, you can hide the likes. That means how much likes you're getting on any particular post that will not be visible to any other person except you. So how can you do that? That I'll demonstrate you in my Android phone. So let me go ahead and open the Instagram app for you. So the first thing you will see is that you will be landed on the home page. Now over here, you need to come to the profile page. You need to press the profile icon, which is on the bottom right side. And from here, you will see all the posts, the pictures, the videos that you have uploaded so far. And now from here, you have to select the particular post on which you would like to hide the likes. All right, so let me say I'll select this post. Now, over here on this post, you will see the three dots on the top right side corner. You need to tap on that. It will open a dialog box and another menu for you actually. Now over here you can see archive, hideout, counts. Yes, this is the one. You see the one with a heart and a cross on that. That means it will stop your likes. Means no one else can see it. So let's tap on that hide like count. So once, yeah, see like count hidden. See, the message has been shown. So once you will press that, now your likes on this post will not be visible to anybody else except you. So that is how you can activate this feature and hide the likes to show it to your followers or friends. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.